Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to the Home of Beautiful Cars. My name is Mr. TCB, and we have a movie star with us tonight. It is a 1967 Ford Mustang ELEANOR tribute, made famous in the movie Gone in 60 Seconds with Nicolas Cage. The incredible 429 V8 Ford big block engine, top-loaded gearbox, incredible list of enhancements. Let's take a closer look. Movie star, you think you are a movie? You certainly are a movie star, and you're on the ELEANOR World Registry number 458. Incredible ELEANOR tribute, magnificent condition. Also got the NOS in the back. Look at that, only at the Home of Beautiful Cars. Amazing world-class car, under $220,000. Is that something magnificent?